What's up, guys? This is your boy Cannon, and we're back with another video.
We back with another hit or lit.
Sorry, guys, we're back with another hit or lit, and today we're going to be trying some chili cheese. What's it called? Like, what's that?
Chili cheese Chesters.
Yes. Couldn't get it right.
Famous for their hot fries. Or are they? What they famous for?
Hot fries.
Y'all ready to try 'em? Alright.
Let's see. Taste.
Alright, y'all. They smell like chili cheese Fritos for real.
Let's see what they're going to taste like.
See what they hitting on. Hit or lit?
Hit is bad, lit is good. 3, 2, 1. In between. It's an in between for me. Lit.
It's something I wouldn't eat.
I definitely wouldn't buy it again.
Me either.
I can eat them. They're not horrible. They hit. They hit.
Actually, it's a hit for me.
It's a hit for me.
I gotta eat it all. It's a lit.
Is it a lit for you, Simone?
Can you eat
It's
it?
lit. Is it lit? Is it lit?
Yeah. Can you eat
Can I get a litty? Can I get lit? Can y'all tell
Hit.
me?
You can get a hit. You can get a hit.
Litty? Okay. Well, there you have it, all right. Is it hit or lit? Come on. Lit. Say lit. Litty. Ooh, fries. Hit. Can we get a hit or a lit? It's a hit.
Oh, that's the hot fries part 2.
They now have
Drag them to Miss
It's a
Crystal's
different
room.
Margaret.
Both of them, yes.
This back ain't gonna tell you no lie.
They smell chili.
Now she fat as fuck for that.
They just smell like chili.
They good though. They lit.
Yeah,
They lit.
they like chili cheese.
They lit. They
Fritos,
almost like a
they-
Frito. They almost like a Frito without the.
Yeah, it's just the texture. I think I don't like with the flavor. I mean, I would eat them, but I wouldn't buy them again.
You put these with a little fat back. Put these with a little
Queso dip.
You can put them with the ranch ones like these.
Ranch.
You know I know. And you can mix the flaming hot ones with it and mix them all real
And shake
good
them up.
together. You have a
Oh, you
hot
know what?